If you want to know how I took this design and added it to a t-shirt, then keep watching. Before I start, if you like this video after watching, don't forget to smash that like button. In this video, I'll be using a t-shirt purchased off JiffyShirts.com. If you're looking to purchase one-off shirts or bulk order shirts, then to me, Jiffy Shirts is the best place to order your shirts from. Also, I'll be showing off heat transfer vinyl from my own inventory. So if you're looking to save money or purchase some higher quality products, check out the links in the description below. To start, I'll be adding my first piece of vinyl to my cutting mat. I'm using my regular black HTV vinyl. It's thin and lightweight, and I'll be using this as a base color. So, I'm always asked, how do I make colorful t-shirts out of HTV vinyl? And my response is always the same, by pressing multiple colors of HTV vinyl. Sure, you can use printable HTV vinyl, but without the right printer and vinyl, you may not get the quality that you're looking for. So with the regular HTV, yeah, it's a little bit more work that goes into it, but you get a higher quality and more vibrant colors. This is my regular white HTV vinyl. Just like my other vinyl, it's also a soft stretch, easy weed vinyl. Before I send my design to the cutting machine, I always check the cut settings. When buying HTV vinyl, you always want to make sure they come with instructions. This way, you don't waste vinyl playing around with the settings. Too often I see people question the quality of their vinyl when sometimes the problem is with their cut settings of their machine. Making sure you have the right cut settings can save you from wasting vinyl. If you notice the numbering on my screen, I do this to make sure I layer my vinyl in the right order when pressing on a t-shirt. These are my grape and wheat HTV vinyl. These are also soft stretch and easy weed. This is my cream color HTV vinyl. It's also a soft stretch and easy weed. Quick tip, has your vinyl ever peeled up while cutting? To keep this from happening, a good idea would be to slow down your cutting machine and reduce your force. This will keep your blade from peeling up your vinyl. And finally, this is my regular light green HTV vinyl. As you may notice, you didn't see me cut out an orange vinyl. The reason for this, I'm going to use the base color of the shirt to make the orange. I know that a few of you are thinking, is he going to weed all that vinyl? Yes. But it didn't take too long to weed, maybe about an hour. I use a few shortcuts to help me weed faster. One shortcut I use is called the box cut method. This is when I cut a box around the shape, keeping my design from peeling up when weeding. If you are interested in learning more about this method, just check out my channel where I made a couple of videos talking about this. Another important point that I want to point out is using high quality vinyl. The higher the quality of vinyl, the easier it'll be to weed. Something else I like to do is line up my design on the t-shirt before moving it to the press. What you see me doing here is lining up my design on the t-shirt and taping it down with heat transfer tape. I do this so when I move it to the heat press, the vinyl doesn't move. If you're interested in the alignment tool that I'm using and also the heat transfer tape, I left a few links in the description below. A lot of people think layering t-shirts is difficult, but if you just take the time to sit down and think about which colors goes first and which colors goes last, it's a pretty simple process. What you see me doing here is laying down my first color. This will help me position my other colors when pressing my shirt. And remember, when layering vinyl, you never want to press the full length of time. If I was pressing just one layer, I would press it for 10 seconds. Since I'm layering, I'm only pressing each layer for 3 to 5 seconds. If you want to know where I got the tools and materials used in this video, check out the links in the description below. Also, check out my channel where you can find more videos to help you make high quality custom t-shirts and to learn more about our HTV vinyl.